Looking to keep your garden pristine with minimal effort? Let's dive into the SKIL Shear & Shrub Kit, a versatile tool designed to simplify your yard maintenance. The SKIL boasts a sleek, compact design that fits comfortably in one hand, making it ideal for maneuvering in tight spaces between plants. Its lightweight construction ensures that even extended use won't strain your arm, allowing for precise trimming and shaping your garden's greenery. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, enhancing user experience and control during operation. This tool's standout feature is its 2-in-1 functionality, equipped with interchangeable dual-action blades, a 5-inch grass shear and an 8-inch shrub shear. Switching between these blades is a breeze, thanks to the tool-free blade change system. Simply press the release buttons, swap the blades, and you're ready to tackle different tasks. This versatility enables efficient trimming of grass, hedges, and small branches up to 5/16 inches thick, catering to various garden maintenance needs. However, it's important to note that the SKIL is best suited for light-duty tasks. Users have observed that it may struggle with thicker branches or more demanding jobs, indicating that it might not be the optimal choice for heavy-duty landscaping projects. Additionally, while the 2.0 amp-hour battery offers decent runtime, extended sessions may require recharging, which could interrupt your workflow. Priced at approximately $100, this kit includes the Shear and Scrub tool, a 2.0 amp-hour battery, a 20-volt charger, and an easy storage bracket for convenient organization. Considering its versatility and user-friendly design, it offers solid value for homeowners seeking an efficient solution for regular garden upkeep. If you're aiming to maintain your yard with ease, the SKIL is worth exploring. Check out the product links in the description for more details. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: limited to light-duty tasks. May struggle with thicker branches. Battery life may require recharging during extended use. Pros: compact and lightweight for easy handling. Versatile 2-in-1 functionality. Tool-free blade changes for quick swaps. Includes battery and charger for ready-to-use convenience. In summary, the SKIL Shear & Shrub is a versatile and user-friendly tool for light garden maintenance. For more information and to make a purchase, check the product links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.